I think one day I am going to take my drone, fly up with fishing line over the branch, rig it around, and then snake up a rope. I still could probably toss up a rope over that. I want to get up a little high enough so I could bring the rope around and take it down. That's what our neighbor wants me to do. See, we could try to get it down safely. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to participate in it down below. I got some instant, quick reacting yeast. Oh yeah. And I got New York apple water. And I got flour, olive oil, some salt. You bet. Gonna make some pizza dough. I'm gonna stick it in the machine and hit need. But I wanna look on top. If it does the same exact thing, I'm just pressing the number I want on my red maker. I got a response on my, my DJI firmware update video from DJI Global Support. And the answer you hear and see, it's not going to be the answer you want and know about. Oh yeah, they did answer. And it tells you exactly what they fixed. Nothing. So if you had an Osmo Action 4 or Pocket 3, you want to mount it on the bike, and I made a video of it just showing a sample clip and bringing it to the person's discussion, they got a problem. That the Pocket 3 shakes, wobbles, breaks, and the fixed focus, autofocus is an issue for them. And that's why we use the Action 4 on a bike more. And the Pocket 3 gimbal and the lens just can't handle vibration at all. But people make it work, and they won't tell you how. But they make it work. Yes, indeed. Oh, I prefer the Action 4 on the bike if mounted to a handlebar. But I prefer to hold my cameras in hand as I vlog. If I shoot hours on end, yeah, I would like to have it on the bike and buttery smooth. But I want something that would make it automatically swivel around. Man, goes another one. I gotta be careful, see where I watch. So, got a beautiful morning. I'm making it down to the end. So we can have our talk. Maybe if I put the screen pop up and showed it on the front, maybe DJI Global Support will come back and have an answer to that. Oh, we urgently, just fix it. You like things the way they work, and they work as expected, with not an issue, not a hiccup. Then why worry, right? Nothing to worry about. Things work. But when you want to see a little bit of a change your way, never going to happen. You could be asking all you want. Not going to happen because this hand and that hand don't talk to one another. Unless you two come with agreement, and maybe if you offer, donate, it may go your way. But it's going to change everything, and you're not going to make that person, you may make that person happy. Are you happy, or are you just full of? So I headed down towards the beach right now. I'm just going to see if my favorite spot is available. I'm able to talk to you now. I got my chair back. And what are we going to talk about? My ride. We'll talk about my ride. It's a beautiful ride indeed. Oh no, I'm not talking about the Cannondale Adventure 2 right now. Oh no, I'm not talking about, you got it, the e-scooter or the e-bike. I'm just talking about my ride. Get on out of here. The sweeper machine, he's following me. He's just got the noise going. His ride. We're heading on back, going down my favorite block. About my ride. Yeah, how do you like the ride? How big, how long is that sucker? So you got about 4.25? How about I go half with you? How about I go quarters with you? How about I go eighths with you? Beautiful bayfront, walking distance to a supermarket, walking distance to a train station, walking distance to restaurants. What more can you ask for? You got everything that you want. But my ride. Ah, you wanted a boat slip. We'll throw one in. I know what I'm going to name this vlog. What did you like about my ride? They did work. They must have just cut the sidewalk and cemented. Hopefully they don't come back and continue to work. Maybe he should have waited for them to have finished cementing. But you never know. Did they cement for him or not? Because straight on down the road, they didn't do the other side. Oh yeah, I like pointing things out. I like to, start up a conversation, but it ain't gonna be about DJI because there's really no conversation with them as they don't understand. They just want to say, hey, load the firmware and have a good day. So you know who I am. I'm Fish. I said a lot, did a lot, shit a lot, talked a lot, shoot a lot. Backing up on an avenue in the street, and when cars come down, I got a lot more to talk about. And then playing on the phone and looking. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, because all you gotta do is pull up a chair beside and just watch everything go by. Pick the channel you want. I'll see you on another video.